Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do updates iOS on your device on your iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go into the settings, and after that you just need to go into general sections here, and after that you just need to go click a software updates. Okay, hold on until there will be appear like several informations here. You just need to wait until the information is pop up. Okay, and now the information is already pop up, and then there is any suggestions to update into iOS 17. So if you want to update into the sections or into this newest update software, you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to go download and install so that your iOS system will be upgraded into iOS 17.1. So that's all the way how to do update iOS on your iPhone. If you find out today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.